What has been your most challenging design project? And tell me what you learned from that. I've had quite a few design projects that were challenging, but I would say the one that probably is the most challenging to me was a packaging project that I had to do for one of my classes in college. The challenge, I think, for me was I had to be, or I was responsible for creating all of the assets for the packaging. I had to come up with a typeface and find a typeface that worked for it. I had to design a logo. And in this case, I even renamed the company. So I renamed the company, designed the logo, and had to come up with a color scheme. I like to use Adobe Color for that. That's a helpful tool. And so I chose a typeface, so actually two of them in this case, and kind of created my own brand guidelines first with the color scheme and the typefaces and the logo. And then I took all the photographs myself as well. And you'll see this example in my portfolio when I show that. I took all my own photographs, and that really helped me to, I think about the message I was trying to deliver. In this case, it was a high-end organic food product. And I took all of my own photographs for it, and I had to match that message, or had to match the photography style to the style of the design and to the message I was trying to communicate. So I think being in charge of so many different facets of this was challenging, but it was also really freeing from a creative standpoint because I wasn't given anything, so I had to create everything, and that meant I was kind of in control of everything too, which allowed me to make sure that everything really synergized, I think, in the whole or in the whole product, and everything looks like it goes together. It looks like the same kind of hand touched all of the pieces in it. And I was able to say, like, this is my photography style. I had a little bit of illustration in there. So that style, I was able to choose a typeface that matched that illustrative style. So while it was challenging, I think it was very rewarding at the end, having to create something so comprehensive. And I knew as I was working on it, it would make a really good piece to kind of demonstrate all of the different skills that I had to offer.